In a pivotal gathering of legal minds and policymakers, EGRD hosted a roundtable discussion titled "The Constitutional Articles to be Changed in the Permanent Iraqi Constitution and the Ability to Achieve Political Consensus" on October 5, 2023. Held at the esteemed guest house of the Prime Minister, the event brought together constitutional law specialists, university professors, advisors to the Prime Minister, and key decision makers. The focal point of the discussion revolved around the pressing need to amend certain articles within Iraq's permanent constitution and the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. The roundtable began with an acknowledgement of the vital role that constitutional amendments can play in resolving some of Iraq's most pressing issues. Participants emphasized that while the entire constitution may not require revision, specific articles have been identified as significant sources of contention and must be addressed to promote stability, inclusivity, and progress. The significance of constitutional amendments was underscored by the participants, who highlighted the potential for these changes to address long-standing challenges in Iraq. By carefully targeting problem areas, the nation can take meaningful steps towards resolving issues such as power sharing, decentralization, and the protection of minority rights. One key aspect discussed was the necessity of achieving political consensus regarding these amendments. The participants recognized the complex and sensitive nature of constitutional changes and stressed the importance of securing broad-based support among political factions and communities. The process of building consensus was deemed essential to ensuring the sustainability and legitimacy of any amendments. Another crucial point of discussion centered on the role of the Supreme Court in overseeing and guiding the amendment process. Participants considered the qualifications and capabilities of the court, emphasizing the need for an impartial and knowledgeable institution to facilitate the constitutional revision process. The role of the Supreme Court was seen as crucial in interpreting the Constitution's existing articles and providing guidance on potential amendments. Participants proposed that constitutional amendments should be approached in a wise way, rather than through a wholesale revision of the entire document. This step-by-step approach would allow for focused attention on specific problem areas, making the process more manageable and increasing the likelihood of achieving consensus. Additionally, it would enable the nation to respond flexibly to changing circumstances and evolving needs. In conclusion, the roundtable discussion represented a significant step toward addressing Iraq's constitutional challenges. By convening legal experts, advisors, and decision-makers, the event showcased a commitment to an inclusive and informed process of constitutional amendment. The participants demonstrated a shared understanding of the pressing need for change in specific constitutional articles to pave the way for a more stable, inclusive, and prosperous Iraq.